Hey everyone, it's James from Fun Foods, and today I'm going to show you how to make these Mountain Dew Twizzlers. Now, I got this recipe from my friend Tammy over on her channel at YoYoMax12. I'll put a link in the description below. This is the basic recipe to Twizzlers. I just adapted it to make it Mountain Dew Twizzlers. So keep watching and I'll show you step by step how to make these. To make this, you want to start off with a small pot. To that, I want to add 1/3 cup of butter, 3/4 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of light corn syrup, 1/3 cup of sweetened condensed milk, and we just want to bring this over to the stove. We want to heat it up until it gets to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Now you want to stir this constantly the whole time and heat it over medium heat. So at 248 degrees, I'm going to cut off my heat and bring this over to our workstation. So now what we're going to do is add our flavoring, and I have made some Mountain Dew syrup, which I'm going to use about a tablespoon worth. And mix that in. If you want to see how to make that Mountain Dew syrup, you can check out my Mountain Dew popcorn video. I also used it in a couple other videos. I'll put a link in the description below. Once that's mixed in really good, that's going to give us that Mountain Dew flavor. Now I'm going to add in some green food coloring. And last, I'm going to add in 1/2 cup plus 2 tablespoons of flour. Now I have this silicone 8x8 dish, and I also lined it with some parchment paper, and hopefully that's going to make it easier for this to come out of. I'm just going to pour this into that directly. And just spread it around. Now we're just going to let this sit for at least 15 minutes, but maybe up to a half hour. I'll let you know how long it takes. Now I've let this sit for about 25 minutes. I'm going to pull it out and see how it is. Okay, so far it looks okay. Alright, so now I'm going to cut them into long thin strips, just like real Twizzlers. So let's start off by cutting the end one. And let's see how it is. You just take this and just twist this. Just like so. I think it turned out all right. So I'm going to cut these up, twist them all, and then we'll do the taste test. Well, now it's time for the taste test. Let's see how we did with our Mountain Dew Twizzlers, homemade. They're good. They don't have a very strong Mountain Dew flavor. I didn't think it would, but they're still good. They taste almost like a Twizzler, not quite though. It's like a mix between a soft hard candy and almost like a butterscotch, but it's still fun to make. Well, thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make these Mountain Dew Twizzlers. It was a lot of fun making these. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button. Also hit that big red subscribe button if you're not already subscribed to get new videos all the time, as well as Mountain Dew videos every Saturday. Make sure you hit the little bell notification so you'll be notified when a new video comes up. Be sure to check out some of the videos I have off to the side. And also be sure to check out Tammy's video of how to make homemade Twizzlers. Not Mountain Dew, but homemade Twizzlers. I'll put a link in the description below. And until then, I'll see you next time.